This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Gage Dople, investor special on an ATV-approved road. This home is located inside the city limits of LaFollette and has previous rental history. The home is in need of repairs and will be a cash-only sale. Come renovate this home and add it to your rental portfolio, or tear it down and move your next home into this awesome corner lot. Potential short-term rental opportunity. Many opportunities with this location. For more information, review the details below or contact Gage Dople at 865-687-1111.